How to become a professional profitable trader? So if you have this question, this is the video for you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to become a professional trader in India step by step. First step, start investing in yourself. Trading or investing, it's all about investments. So before you do that, you need to invest your time and your energy on yourself to learn something that makes you a professional trader. Today what we are seeing, most profitable traders around the globe, they all were once up beginners. So before you start trading, you need to know what is important to learn on trading and investments. And there is many ways to learn trading, but the best way is choosing a right mentor. So here in the Blueleo, we have created an awesome online course which include basics and advanced lessons which is necessary to be a professional trader. Before you start trading, you need to learn. You need to know what exactly stock market and how it works. For example, what is the price action, what is fundamental and technical analysis, and how to read chart patterns or charts. These are everything is important. So you need to learn all of them before you start trading. Second step, start with the paper trading or the demo trading. Once you're done with learning trading, you need to start trading with the paper account or the demo trading. Having a paper trading will give you advantage, virtual money which is not real. So when you trading in it, you will not have any fears of losing money, you will not have any emotions. And paper trading is the best way to sharpen your skills and test your strategies before you go live market. At least 2 to 3 months do the paper trading before you go into the real market. Most importantly, when you're trading in the demo trading, you need to treat your demo trades as a real trades or the real money. Because when you came from demo trading to real market or real money, it will be a lot of difference, because when you came to the real market, you will be filled with emotions and fears. So when you're filled with emotions and the fears, you may end up making a lot of mistakes. So to avoid that, you need to treat your demo trades as a real money. Next step, have a proper trading journal. Most of the traders don't follow trading journals. That is the way they make mistake and start losing the money. They never look back and learn from their mistakes. When you have the trading journal, it will allow you to review your losing trades, and you can implement those losing trades. You can do something different to make those losing to winning trades. So this is why on Blueleo we provide advanced trading journal for each and every student that joins Blueleo. The next step, have trading plan. You need to have a proper trading plan before you enter the market. You need to know when you're going to trade. You need to know what stocks you're going to trade. You need to know how much you are investing on the each stock and what is our entry and the exit levels. If you don't have a trading plan, you end up messing around. You end up losing a lot of money by doing your own mistakes. Next step, never trade or invest the money that you kept for something really important, such as money that reserved for your wedding or maybe your children's education. So something like this you should never invest. Next step, take full advantage of the technology. You need to use the technology in the right way. You need to use all those technical analysis. You need to set your charts in the right way. You need to analyze each and everything using a trading, using technology. When you combine technology and your skill set, it will give you better results. And the final step, you need to find a community and follow people who can give you positive vibes. When it comes to trading, there is a lot of positive communities, there is a lot of positive people are available to follow. You can follow them, you can see what they're doing, you can see what other communities are doing. You can always learn from experts. When you connect with the like-minded people, and they can tell you how they become successful, what they made mistakes that you can avoid to become profitable traders. So these are the major steps. By taking these steps, you can become a professional trader. This is why Blueleo has created an awesome online course where you can learn and also grow with the awesome community, and you can learn from experts using our online courses. The course is going to be out very soon. And this is the video for today. And now hit the subscribe button, like the video or drop us a comment. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.